Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, back with the Simply Sweet Table Topper series. This time it's for June. So what's fun about this one is that I'm not only going to be teaching you the new stitch, of course we know we do that each month, but I'm also going to teach you an alternative approach. So what is the deal about this different approach? The suggestion that we've had is we don't want to have to do the embroidery where we're going through all of these layers and then we have the stitching on the back. So we're going to talk to you about an alternative approach that if that's you and you're like, how do we do it in a different sequence? That's what we'll be talking about today. So for this stitch, and I want to show it to you, almost a profile, it creates these little knots and then it has a really neat texture. I wish you could feel it.